Hey, this is Paul, and thanks for checking out Evercrisp apples. Now, these apples were created by MAIA, and it was labeled MAIA-1. And what that stands for is Midwest Apple Improvement Association. So you can see that they believe that they have improved the apple out in Ohio. And this is a Honeycrisp crossed with a Fuji apple. Those are the two parents. So you can see some of the resemblance. The apples are really, really dense, and they call it Evercrisp because the apples store really well in the refrigerator, up to a year, believe it or not. You can see it's weighing in at just about 1/3 of a pound. So let's go ahead, let's cut this open and give it a shot. Now, it is very dense like I described, and the color I would describe as a little yellow, the flesh. The exterior, it's got a nice color. It's not gorgeous. It's got red, a little bit of yellow, some striping. So it's okay. But the crunch and the flavor is what makes this apple so unique. It's very juicy. It's complex, really, really crunchy. Very sweet, but with some tartness that's really, really nice. Now, every apple we've gotten had a little bit of this. My wife called it brown as we were tasting some of these apples. As you can see, that kind of is just a trait. But it's still really good. Okay. I don't think it's my favorite apple. No offense to the amazing people that created it out in Ohio. But it's definitely improved, in my opinion, over a Honeycrisp and a Fuji. I would prefer these two, or I would prefer this apple over these two. I like its density. I think it's, the thing I don't like that much about it is maybe the taste of the skin, if that makes sense. I've been using this for a lot of oranges, so it's a lot easier to get the juice out. Apples, I forgot. Takes a bit more effort. There we go. All right, let's see how sweet it is. 17 8/10. Wow. That is a really sweet apple. 17 8/10. This is the sweetest apple we've bricked to date on our channel. And I've been tasting quite a few apples for the past couple years when they're in season. So not an easy feat. So there you go, the beautiful Evercrisp apple. A delicious, dense, sweet apple made in Ohio that is an improved variation off of its parents, the Honeycrisp and the Fuji. So there you go, give us a like and a subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have yourself a wonderful day. Take care.